The Shopify connection with AliExpress will allow retailers to showcase their products on popular online marketplace and increase visibility means increase sale. This video is step-by-step guide on how you can do it. First, you need to open your Shopify store admin panel, go to the products area after signing in. Here you can see the add product button can be clicked to add new product listing. Go to the AliExpress and look for the item that you want to look in your My Store. Return to the Shopify admin panel, click on the appropriate fields and copy paste the product details. To make the product list unique, add more details including price and available option. To activate the product on the Shopify store, click on Save or Publish button. Or you can install a Chrome extension called AutoDS app can be added to your Shopify store. You can see on the screen. And now take the item of your AliExpress supplier listing. This Auto Chrome extension will help you to do that. Then use the CSV to import the product into your store. So this was how you can connect AliExpress with Shopify, and I'll see you in the next one.